There is no definitive answer to this question as there is no known cause of homosexuality in animals. However, it has been observed in a number of animal species and there is growing evidence that suggests it may be more common than previously thought. Some scientists believe that homosexuality in animals may be the result of environmental factors, such as early exposure to same-sex parents or siblings. Others believe that it could be due to hormonal imbalances during development. There is also the possibility that it is simply a natural variation within a species and not the result of any external factors. Whatever the cause, homosexual behavior in animals does appear to occur quite frequently and appears to be relatively stable over time. This suggests that, like humans, animals can develop lasting homosexual relationships. Animal homosexuality refers to sexual behavior between animals of the same sex. This includes homosexual behaviors between male and female animals, as well as between two males or two females. There is a great deal of debate over whether or not animal homosexuality is natural, with some people arguing that it is and others asserting that it isn't. However, there is no scientific consensus on the matter. Scientists have observed homosexual behavior in a variety of animal species, including birds, mammals, reptiles, and fish. Some people argue that animal homosexuality is proof that sexuality is fluid and can exist outside of traditional heterosexual norms. Others say that it simply reflects the fact that animals are capable of forming strong emotional bonds with members of their own sex. Whatever the case may be, there is no doubt that homosexual behavior occurs in nature. There are many different types of relationships between animals, including homosexual ones. While homosexuality is often seen as something that is unnatural or deviant, there is nothing wrong with it in the animal kingdom. In fact, homosexual behavior has been observed in over 1,500 different animal species. Some scientists believe that homosexual behavior exists in animals because it provides a way for individuals to form strong social bonds. These bonds can be beneficial for both the individual and the group as a whole. For example, two male lions who form a homosexual bond will often work together to defend their territory against other males. This type of cooperation can help increase the chances of survival for both lions. While some people may see homosexuality as immoral or incorrect, it is simply another form of love and should be respected as such. There is no definitive answer to this question as there is no way to know definitively what motivates any given animal's behavior. However, there have been numerous studies on homosexual behavior in animals, and it is generally believed that this behavior occurs for the same reasons it does in humans, namely, a desire for social interaction and/or sexual gratification. While some people may view homosexual behavior in animals as unnatural, it should be noted that such behavior has been observed in a wide variety of species and is therefore not limited to any one group of animals. There isn't a definitive answer to whether or not animals can be homosexual, as there is no clear way to determine what exactly constitutes homosexual behavior in animals. However, there have been numerous reports of homosexual behavior in animals ranging from insects to mammals, suggesting that it is a fairly widespread occurrence. One of the most famous examples of animal homosexuality is that of two male penguins who formed a bond at a zoo in Germany and attempted to mate with each other. While this particular case may not be indicative of all homosexual animal relationships, it does suggest that these bonds can be just as strong and meaningful as heterosexual ones. Whether or not animals can truly be considered homosexual is still up for debate, but there is no doubt that many animals engage in same-sex behaviors. This suggests that homosexuality is natural and likely has always existed in the animal kingdom. Homosexuality in animals is controversial with some social conservatives because it asserts the naturalness of homosexuality in humans, while others counter that it has no implications and is nonsensical to equate animal behavior to morality. On the other hand, homosexuality is natural, and therefore the existence of homosexual sex in animals is unsurprising. Animal sexual behavior takes many different forms, even within the same species, and the motivations for and implications of their behaviors have yet to be fully understood. Homosexual behavior in animals is sexual or mating behavior among non-human species that is interpreted as homosexual or bisexual. The sexual behavior of non-human animals takes many different forms, even within the same species, though homosexual behavior is best known from social species. Although same-sex interactions involving genital contact have been reported in hundreds of animal species, they are routinely manifested in only a few, including humans. Animal sexual behavior takes many different forms, even within the same species, and the motivations for and implications of their behaviors have yet to be fully understood. It is known that all animals whose pictures you will see from now on exhibit homosexual behavior for various reasons. Animal preference and motivation is always inferred from behavior. Thus, homosexual behavior has been given a number of terms over the years. The correct usage of the term homosexual is that an animal exhibits homosexual behavior. However, this article conforms to the usage by modern research applying the term homosexuality to all sexual behavior, copulation, genital stimulation, mating games, and sexual display behavior between animals of the same sex. This may include same-sex sexual activity, courtship, affection, pair bonding, and parenting among same-sex animal pairs. Various forms of this are found in every major geographic region and every major animal group. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.